Hey, it's Scott Young here. Hope you're doing well today. In this video, we're going to cover the question, can solo ads make you money? Now, maybe the real question is, can solo ads make the six-figure type of income that you really want? I mean, that's what we're all really interested in. Now, I still see claims and testimonials across the internet that people are making thousands of dollars with solo ads. So I guess that answers the question, right? All right, that was a trick question. But let's take a deep dive into solo ads and see if they really are the solution to make you money online. Now, solo ads were one of the first traffic sources that I found when I was starting out as an affiliate marketer. And they were really appealing to me because all you had to do is pick the number of clicks that you wanted from the solo ad, you push the button and order it, and suddenly the traffic started flowing into my sales funnel. And my email autoresponder, subscriber list actually did fill up from all these leads from the solo ads. So that was really exciting. But the thing is, none of this actually translated into profits for me. And I was kind of dumbfounded for a long time until I found the right training and the right mentor that taught me why solo ads don't actually make you money. But before we jump into that, let's just ask a question. What is a solo ad? A solo ad is just an advertisement on someone else's email list where you are the only thing being advertised in that email blast. So let's say you found a solo ad vendor that you're going to buy 100 clicks from, right? And these 100 clicks are going to send traffic to your capture page so you can get their email and start to market to them. So the solo ad vendor is actually going to write an enticing email, and your link to your capture page is going to be the only link in that email. So as that person's subscribers start to get these emails, you're going to start getting a bunch of clicks on that link, and they're going to go to your capture page. And as a good percentage of those leads are captured in your capture page, they're going to go into your email autoresponder. Now, like I said, all of this is super appealing because, like I experienced, I just ordered a bunch of clicks. I actually spent a good amount of money on these solo ads, and I really filled up my subscriber list with a ton of leads, and it was very exciting. And I was really excited to start sending out my emails to all of these leads that I got. But there was one huge problem, one huge fail to this whole solo ad system that I realized, and it's that the leads that you get from solo ads do not convert to sales. And here's the reason. Many solo ad vendors are sending out emails to their subscribers 3 or 4 times a day. And if you think about it, if someone's on one solo ad vendor's list, they're probably on 3 or 4 other solo ad vendors' lists, and they're getting 3 or 4 emails from those ones as well. So in essence, these people on these lists are getting maybe a dozen or 2 dozen emails every day. So the people on these lists are really exhausted from receiving sales emails. And in fact, they're pretty jaded and they're numb to the sales process in general. It's sad because they rarely get anything of value from these solo ad emails. They're not getting any training, any tutorials, any tips. It's just one enticing email after another that's all engineered to get them to click. So what happens is when you get these exhausted leads onto your email list, the open rates for your emails are extremely low. And what's worse is that the conversion rate to sales is super low, less than 1%. And what's worse, once you get them on your email list, you're also starting to email them once a day. Some people do it more than once a day. And so your emails just blend into the dozens of sales emails that they're already getting every day. And there's no chance for you to rise above the noise of all those emails that they're getting. So in the end, because your list is filled with all these low quality leads, there's really no chance you're going to get enough conversions to sales to ever cover the cost of the solo ads expense themselves. Now, some solo ad providers are actually kind of sneaky. When you buy solo ads from them, they may actually use the link that you provided and follow it through to the product you're selling, and they may actually buy a few of those to make it look like you got sales, so that you get kind of excited and say, hey, I made some sales from this solo ad vendor. I'm going to double my order and make even more sales. Now, I don't doubt that there are a handful of people that are able to grind out a profit each month by using solo ads. So I'm not saying they're completely worthless, or that they're a scam. But going that route is going to be a very investment heavy process that is going to be a really slow grind to make a profit each month. But I've found way more success with a method that uses specific free traffic sources that actually provides value to the leads that I bring in and actually helps me to develop a relationship with the leads that are brought into my business. And this actually leads to a conversion rate that's more around 8 to 10%. If you're interested in how I've done this, I'm going to put a link in the description below this video. In that link, you're going to find the training and mentorship program that I use to get on the path to a six-figure income. There's no pressure, it's totally up to you, but it is a great alternative to solo ads. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like if you enjoyed it, and take care.